So that was my trigger, and I was like, oh, kaya ko pala. Baka ito na. Baka simulan ko na to. Because I was thinking I'll start my business maybe like 10 years after pa.
Mm.
Because I was not in a hurry. But
Mm.
because there were some projects that were refused to, sabi ko, ako na lang kaya. Baka kaya ko, maliit lang naman yung project. Kaya ko na sigurong simulan yan. So, but I'm not an engineer. I don't have full confidence in myself to deliver the output or the commitment to the client. So I had to
Yeah.
look for a co-founder.
Mm.
So I to my talked to my cousin who's a software engineer.
Yeah.
And then I was like, I told him, kaya mo?
Mm.
Kasi I just need to know naman kung kaya niyang gawin, di ba? Kasi kaya ko i-close yung deal. But I had to make sure that we can deliver it. So I asked him, kaya mo to? And then he said, yeah, kaya niya. And then that's how it started. I was like, okay, I can get the client. Somebody can build it. So that's how
Nice.
Umpisa started.